It was founded and formed in 1988 and serves as the eastern portion of urban San Diego County. We are talking about the San Miguel Fire District, and that is where our Jackie Wynn is live this morning. And she always gets lucky and hangs out with the firefighters. Good morning, Jackie.
Good morning, Arthel. Good morning, everyone. You know, I was just thinking about that just right before you were talking about this story here. I was thinking, man, Arthel's going to be saying she always hangs out with the firefighters. I don't know, there must be something about being firefighters. But yes, we're hanging out with the San Miguel Fire District this morning. It serves more than 135,000 residents, and I'm really lucky because a lot of these firefighters are very handsome, including the fire chief, Augie Gio, here. Good morning, Chief. How are you?
Good morning. Doing great, Jackie. Thank you.
Thank you very much for getting up and hanging out with us this morning. So we want to talk a little bit about what you have in mind for us, for me, actually, this morning here.
Well, there's a lot more to the fire department than just fighting wildfires. That's been the focus of the last couple of months, but that is an important thing because of our weather conditions and our topography. But firefighters have to be ready to do a whole host of things all day long: rescues, medical aids, fitness activities, training, and you're going to see a little of that today.
Absolutely. You know, let's talk a little bit about the, actually, let's go over here, right around the corner here. We have Captain Bill Brugema, who's putting on his fire gear there. Share with us a little bit about the fire gear that you guys have here.
Well, fire gear is real important for the firefighters because that's their first line of defense when they go into fires or technical rescue situations. That's their personal protective equipment. So what Captain Brugema is putting on today is his turnout clothing. So this is what they use to go into fires or they go into rescue situations, and that keeps them protected from the heat, and it also protects them from debris when they're wearing their helmet and their safety shoes.
And of course, right here we have your new state-of-the-art rescue fire truck that you were just talking about here. Share with us a little bit real quickly here, Chief, about some of the things that you guys have that will help you with your firefighting efforts.
Well, we have a host of different things on this rig. This is called a heavy rescue unit. We can put up to 6 firefighters on this rig at a time. So if you have multiple vehicle mass casualty, people trapped or collapsed structures, we use things like Vetter airbag systems to lift the vehicle or to stabilize a structure, and then heavy rescue hydraulic equipment to cut people out of that or to help lift the debris off.
All right, thank you very much, Chief, for joining us this morning. Thank you so much there. And there you have it, Arthur. We're going to be hanging out here with the San Miguel firefighters this morning. They're going to be putting me through a couple of drills, including exercise drill. And coming up in about 1 hour, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be showing me a fire extinguishing prop here, and they're going to show me how to properly put out a fire, such as a kitchen fire. For now, I'm going to send it back to you there in the studio.
All right, Jackie, thank you very much.